Okay, I'm about to try to see if there's any way possible that I can get out of my driveway and go check my mail. The mailman just came. So let me pause for a minute and I'll be back. So this is the edge of my garage, and I am like terrified. I have an actual slide. Let me see if I can. Oh no. That's not gonna work. You see this? I cannot get out my driveway. Can somebody please come get me? There's no human life around. Look at those trees though. That's beautiful. Let me get a close up without falling and breaking my neck. Look at that. Pure ice. Okay, let me try one more thing. It's just not really working for me at all. If anybody got a tractor trailer or some ice, a pickup truck, I'm so serious. Please come help me get this driveway defrosted. Please, somebody, anybody.